Welcome to this meditation on self-worth, designed to connect you with your own unique value and inspire you to carry this awareness into your daily life. Today, we'll practice letting go of comparisons and honoring the qualities that make you distinctly you. Research shows that connecting with our values, strengths, and personal goals builds lasting confidence and motivation, creating a foundation for personal growth and fulfillment. Find a comfortable position, either seated or lying down, and close your eyes softly. Begin by taking a deep breath in. And as you exhale, feel yourself releasing any lingering tension, letting go of the need to measure up to any external standard. This time is for you alone, a moment to tune in to your true self and embrace your worth. Start by noticing your breath, the gentle rise and fall of each inhale and exhale. Let your breath settle into a natural, steady rhythm. With each inhale, feel yourself drawing in calm. And with each exhale, imagine releasing any thoughts of self-doubt or comparison. Now, bring your awareness to your heart center, imagining a warm, comforting light glowing here. This light represents your inherent worth, a value that doesn't depend on achievements or others' opinions. Let this light expand with each breath, spreading from your chest to your arms, hands, and fingertips, filling you with acceptance and confidence. Imagine for a moment the times when you felt the weight of comparing yourself to others. Research tells us that these comparisons often distract us from the qualities that truly matter, our unique strengths and the values we hold dear. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, visualize this comparison dissolving into the warmth around you. Repeat silently to yourself, I am enough. I release the need to compare. I am valuable as I am. Feel the relief in knowing that your worth doesn't depend on any external measure. Instead, it's anchored in who you are at your core. Now, bring to mind a quality that you appreciate about yourself. A skill, strength, or value that you embody. It could be kindness, resilience, creativity, or anything else that feels uniquely yours. Imagine this quality as a radiant spark within you, filling you with pride and gratitude. Allow this spark to grow and join the warm light at your heart center, amplifying your self-worth. Now, think of one way you can put this quality into action today. For example, if it's kindness, perhaps you'll reach out to a friend. If it's creativity, maybe you'll set aside time to explore it. Now, bring to mind another unique quality you possess. Something that feels valuable and personal to you. Visualize this quality joining the light in your heart, creating an even stronger sense of inner worth. Allow yourself to feel inspired, knowing that your uniqueness is something you can share and celebrate. Repeat these affirmations with a sense of commitment, letting them take root within you. And as you say each affirmation, imagine your self-worth growing stronger, replacing any lingering doubt with a deep sense of inner confidence. I am valuable and worthy of respect. I honor my unique qualities and share them freely. I am enough just as I am. I am capable and ready to grow. Now, picture yourself moving through your day, embodying this confidence and unique value. Imagine specific scenarios where you can let your self-worth shine. Visualize yourself engaging in conversations, decisions, or challenges with a sense of self-assuredness. See yourself taking steps, however small, to act on your strengths and share your gifts with the world. Take a moment to identify one actionable step you can take today, no matter how small, to express this self-worth. Perhaps it's setting a boundary, pursuing a passion, or speaking kindly to yourself. See yourself taking this step and feel the sense of accomplishment it brings. As we come to the end of this meditation, take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, release any remaining doubt or hesitation. Feel the energy of self-worth and potential flowing through you, anchoring you in your unique value. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Grounded, confident, and empowered to act on the qualities that make you unique. Let this sense of self-worth guide you as you move through your day. Thank you for taking this time to recognize and to honor your worth.